In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to make money online with just a few clicks. It's called Get Paid Per Click on Your Link. And it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. So, let's dive in. What is pay-per-click? Pay-per-click affiliate programs are a model of internet marketing where the advertiser pays a certain fee each time an advertisement is clicked. A publisher promotes these ads on their own website, thus earning revenue from their visitors and promoting additional website visits for the advertiser. One of the best-known examples is Google's AdSense program. In this article, you'll find a range of other pay-per-click affiliate programs that can help you boost the revenue of your websites. How to get paid for clicks on links. When you place a clickable link with a specified affiliate code embedded into it on your website, blog, or social media, you'll get paid for each visitor that clicks on the link and completes a sale. This is known as pay-per-click (PPC) advertising, and it's a popular way to generate revenue from websites and content. To get paid for PPC advertising, you have to register with an affiliate network and be approved as an affiliate. Each network has their own rules and payment thresholds, so you should consult the network's details before joining. Can you make money with pay-per-click? Yes, you can make money with PPC advertising. This type of advertising allows businesses and individuals to place an ad in an approved network in order to target potential customers. When those customers click on the ad, the business or individual pays a fee to the network and earns revenue from the click. PPC advertising is a great way to reach a specific audience and generate leads for your business. It's also a relatively easy way to start earning money online and can be highly effective when done correctly. How much can you make from pay-per-click? The amount you can get paid per click depends on a variety of factors, including the type of ad, the advertiser, the website, and even the country the ad is located in. Generally, pay-per-click rates can range anywhere from 1 cent to more than $50 per click, though the average is typically around a few cents per click. It's important to note that these rates change over time and vary greatly by industry, so the actual pay-per-click rate you'll receive for any given ad will be based on a number of factors. Is pay-per-click worth it? PPC advertising can be an effective way to rapidly gain visibility for your business. By targeting specific keywords, you can reach your desired audience with relevant ads and track how well they're performing. PPC advertising is a cost-effective solution and can be worth it if managed well and regularly monitored to ensure you're reaching your desired goals and getting a return on your investment. Pay-per-click affiliate programs are the most generic of these programs. All you need is for someone to click on one of the ads on your platform to earn a commission. And while the commissions are lower than those offered for leads, actions, and sales, it can be a very lucrative addition to the monetization of most websites. Some additional information on how much you can earn from pay-per-click programs. Google AdSense. This is one of the most popular pay-per-click programs for websites of all topics. It's easy to set up and offers a variety of ad formats that can be customized to match your website's design. AdSense ads are relevant to your website's content, and you get paid every time someone clicks on an ad. The amount you can earn from AdSense varies depending on several factors, including the topic of your website, the number of clicks you receive, and the cost per click, CPC, of the ads. In general, publishers earn around 5 to 25 cents per click, but some niches can earn much higher CPCs. Media.net. This is a pay-per-click program that allows you to display contextual ads on your website. The program's designed for publishers of all sizes and covers a range of topics. You get paid for every click on an ad, and you can customize the ad format to match your website's design. The amount you can earn from media.net varies depending on the same factors as AdSense. The program offers competitive CPCs, and publishers can earn up to $2 or more per click, depending on their niche. Infolinks. This is a pay-per-click program that allows you to display ads on your website's content. The program offers a range of ad formats, including in-text ads, in-fold ads, and in-screen ads. You get paid for every click on an ad, and the program supports a variety of topics. Infolinks offers a revenue share of up to 70% to publishers, which means you earn a percentage of the revenue generated by the ads on your website. The amount you can earn depends on your website's traffic, niche, and the number of clicks you receive. Chitika. This is a pay-per-click program that offers a range of ad formats, including text ads, banner ads, and mobile ads. The program is designed for publishers of all sizes and supports a variety of topics. You get paid for every click on an ad, and the program offers a low minimum payment threshold. The amount you can earn from Chitika varies depending on your niche and the number of clicks you receive. The program offers competitive CPCs, and publishers can earn up to 30 cents per click or more. Bidvertiser. This pay-per-click program offers a range of ad formats, including text ads, banner ads, and pop-under ads. The program supports a variety of topics and offers a low minimum payout threshold. You get paid for every click on an ad, and the program offers advanced targeting options to maximize your earnings. The amount you can earn from Bidvertiser varies depending on your niche and the number of clicks you receive. The program offers competitive CPCs, and publishers can earn up to 30 cents per click or more. Additionally, it's important to track your results and experiment with different ad formats and placements to optimize your earnings. With time and effort, you can earn a steady stream of income from pay-per-click programs on your website. Get paid per click on your link is a great way to earn some extra cash online. It's a simple and easy way to make money, and it doesn't require any special skills or knowledge. Just sign up for an account, find advertisers to work with, and start sharing your referral link. With a little effort, you can start earning money from clicks today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.